Hi guys, good afternoon. Actually po, this is my second day to come back here in Pasay City para po dumalaw ako sa aking housing sa St. Hannibal Homeowners Association, and to pick up also my things for the kitchen. Things for the kitchen and